It catches really well. Wow. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is the SammichLady. As you can see, it has snowed today. Yay! I'm gonna take the Grand Cherokee out and see what kind of fun I can get into. Ooh. Defrost, and there, actually that. High, there we go. Very important. Okay, let this vehicle warm up, and then I'm gonna take it for a ride and see what all's out. I'm not gonna take that though. That's gonna stay here for now. All right, warmed up a bit. Oop. See how well this four-wheel drive works. Oh, nice. Let's try it with ESP off. Still grabs. I gunned it right there, and it didn't break loose. So we're gonna go to a special secret location of mine. Hopefully no one's been down there, and it'll be a little bit more snow to try to break these tires loose. I found a snowy road. Turn that off. Turns that off. Mash the pedal. Nope. Nope. Try it again. Oh, wow. So I did get it to break loose there. See those lines back there? Yeah, that's where it broke loose, but I'm gonna try that again. Ooh, it catches really well. Wow. So we're gonna head over to our secret little spot and see what we can find. Kind of chilly. I'm gonna turn the heat back on. Oh no! Uh-oh, I broke it. I have no idea what that is, so I guess no heat for right now. And go! Woo! We have arrived to my secret spot, secret-ish, and the snow has melted because they've put down ice. I mean, not ice, salt. They've put down salt on the roads. Can't fault Jeep too much. They built a really nice Jeep. There goes a Cadillac. Ooh, it's cold. I gotta get back in here. Oh, my hands are freezing. Ooh. Even though I can't really use the heat in here, it's still warmer in here than outside. No spinnies, spin class, whatever you want to call it. Donuts in the snow, sadly. I do get to go home and tell my husband that I kind of broke his Jeep. Took your Jeep out for a ride.
Yeah.
And I think I might have broke it.
Why?
Turn the air or the heat on. Listen.
What did you do?
I had it on the defrost. I turned it off so it wasn't loud. And then I turned it back on to heat back up, and now it's doing that. Sounds like the blower motor. I don't think it's the blender door because the speeds worked.
Some of the blender door because I switched to auto and it doesn't do it.
Sorry. Merry Christmas.
You just got stuck.
Got stuck?
You got stuck. It's working now.
So, like
it's a fancy Jeep. You gotta, it's fancy. Just keep on, all you gotta do, put on auto.
Yeah.
Auto. That's it. You never touch it. Just adjust your temperature. Keep everything else on auto.
Just like the LJ, you don't touch anything.
Your own Jeep anyways?
Yeah. Okay, well, it's fixed for now.
Yeah. Is that all?
Yes. So I got my husband's Jeep working. Now I'm going to start this Liberty up, and hopefully it does start. It's a good sign. Let things warm up a bit and take it for a ride. Jeep is warmed up enough, so I'm going to go take it out for a ride and see how it does. Snow's already melted, but I at least want to see how the Jeep does out in this cold weather. All right, here we go. Whoop. So far, so good. These Maxxis Razor tires, because it's so cold out, it takes a little time for them to warm up. It's almost like when you start a tractor up and drive it with cold tires, you can feel it go boop, 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 boop. But once they warm up, do fairly well. I think I'll just do my usual route of just drive down the freeway, loop back around and come back. I just want to see how the Jeep does in the cold. And here we go. So far, so good. A few minutes ago, my tracks in the Grand Cherokee were all squiggly like. Advanced four-wheel drive system in the Grand Cherokee is really fancy. I believe I can break traction on the Liberty. Let's see here. Tires hook up really well. I am quite surprised at how well these Maxxis Razor tires hook up on just a little bit of snow. No need for four-wheel drive right now. There's hardly anything on the road, but tires still do what the tires are meant to do, which is grip and make traction. I just turned around in a industrial parking lot road, and I gave it some gas and it kicked out, but once I started losing traction, those tires are like, nope, not losing traction, and they hooked right up. I'm thoroughly surprised with these tires. I wish there was a little bit more snow to try them out in, but gotta make do with what you have. Come to a stop, brake, both ways, good, slam on the brakes. That wasn't quite slamming on the brakes. Does really well. I like it. Overall, this is a really good Jeep. I may hang on to it, I don't know. Gotta paint that fender and then the trim pieces there. But other than that, it's still a good Jeep. I like it. However, this is the end of the video. I'm cold, I need to get inside and start working on dinner. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, share this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to the channel. Till next time, bye-bye.